Hello, welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to prove that both expressions displayed on the screen are equivalent. Equivalent expressions look different, but they can be simplified to the same terms. So to prove that these two expressions are equivalent, I need to simplify each expression and then compare their terms. To simplify the first expression, 4 times 4 minus x in parentheses minus 4 minus x in parentheses squared, first I need to open parentheses by multiplying 4 by 4 and then 4 by negative x. As a second step, I need to expand 4 minus x in parentheses squared. And finally, I then need to add all like terms. Like terms are the ones that have the same variable, which is raised to the same power. To simplify the second expression, x multiplied by 4 minus x in parentheses, I simply need to open parentheses and multiply x by 4 and then by negative x. I then need to compare both simplified expressions, and if they are the same, they have the same terms, then I will consider that both expressions are equivalent. Now I'm going to show how all this comes together. 4 times 4 minus x in parentheses equals to 16 minus 4x minus, in parentheses, I'm going to expand 4 minus x in parentheses squared by using the formula for binomial square. 4 corresponds to the a in the formula, x corresponds to the b in the formula. And when I apply the formula, this equals to 4 squared minus 2 times 4 times x plus x squared. And then I need to prove that this equals to 4x minus x squared. When I simplify further, I get 16 minus 4x. Now I have a negative sign in front of parenthesis. It will flip the sign for each term because it's the same like multiplying -1 with each term within the parenthesis. So when I do that, I get minus 16 plus 8x minus x squared. And I need to prove that it equals to 4x minus x squared. As a next step, I need to add all like terms. Like terms are 16 and negative 16, negative 4x, and 8x. When I add each pair of these like terms, I get 16 minus 16 equals 0, or these cancel out. Negative 4x plus 8x equals 4x. Then I have minus x squared. And this does equal to 4x minus x squared. Therefore, I've proved that both expressions are equivalent. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.